Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something simple yet deeply powerful. Something that costs nothing, requires no special equipment, and yet has the ability to transform the way we think, feel, heal, and live. Meditation. And on the occasion of World Meditation Day, we are reminded of something the modern world often forgets. Peace is not found outside us, it is created within us. We live in a world full of constant noise like notifications, deadlines, arguments, comparisons, pressure, fear of the future, regret from the past. Even when we are physically resting, our minds are still running marathons. And slowly, without realizing it, we become disconnected from ourselves. That is why meditation matters today more than ever before. Not as a trend, not as an aesthetic, but as a survival tool for the mind and soul. Meditation is not about becoming a completely different person. It is about returning to yourself, that you are there. At first, many people think meditation means emptying the mind. But the truth is, the human mind thinks naturally. It naturally thinks. So, meditation is not the absence of thoughts, it is learning not to drown in them. It is sitting quietly and observing your inner world without panic. And you know what? That changes everything. Because most people spend their lives reacting. It reduces stress. So when they spend the time in reacting, they're reacting to stress, anger, fear, social media, and opinions. But meditation teaches us to pause before reacting, and in that pause, healing begins. So one of the greatest physical benefits of meditation is the way it calms the nervous system. When we are stressed constantly, the body remains in survival mode, heart racing, our heart races, right? Muscle tense, sleep gets disturbed, mind gets exhausted, and over time, chronic stress affects not only mental health but physical health too. Meditation slows the breath and lowers tension, helps regulate emotions, and improves focus and sleep. But beyond science, meditation gives us something even more valuable, that is stillness. And stillness is rare today. Many people are uncomfortable being alone with their thoughts, so they distract themselves endlessly. Alright, so they scroll, watch, talk, work, overconsume, but silence reveals what noise hides. Sometimes meditation brings clarity, sometimes it brings emotions we buried, sometimes it simply gives us a moment to breathe. And that moment matters because healing does not always happen loudly. Sometimes healing happens quietly while sitting near a window in silence. Sometimes healing happens through one deep breath after difficulty. Sometimes healing begins the moment you stop running from yourself. And sometimes meditation also teaches us having patience because we live in a generation that is addicted to instant results, instant replies, right? Instant entertainment, instant validation. We want everything instantly, but inner peace cannot be rushed. Meditation reminds us that growth is gentle. Some days your mind feel calm, some days it will feel chaotic. Both are normal. The goal is not perfection, the goal is awareness. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing can change your emotional state. Imagine beginning your day by not by immediately checking your phone, but by checking in with yourself. How am I feeling today? What energy am I carrying? What do I need emotionally? That small habit can completely change the tone of your day. Meditation also improves relationships. You know why? Because when you understand your own emotions better, you stop projecting them onto others. You become less reactive, more compassionate, more emotionally balanced. And perhaps most importantly, meditation reconnects us with the present moment. Many people live trapped between two places, like regret about yesterday and anxiety about tomorrow. But meditation gently brings us back to now, to this breath, this moment, this life, right here. And there is something deeply beautiful about that. You do not need expensive retreats to meditate. You do not need perfection. You do not even need complete silence. You only need willingness. You can meditate while sitting on your balcony at sunrise. You can meditate before sleeping. You can meditate through prayer, mindful walking, breathing exercises, or quiet reflection. So, meditation belongs to everyone. Students overwhelmed with pressure, parents carrying responsibilities, artists searching for clarity, professionals fighting burnout, people healing heartbreak, people healing themselves. So, all of us need moments where the mind can finally rest. And on this World Meditation Day, perhaps the greatest gift we can give ourselves is permission to slow down. Not every moment must be productive, not every silence must be filled, not every emotion must be suppressed. Sometimes strength looks like stillness. Sometimes power looks like peace. And sometimes the most important conversation you will ever have is the one you have quietly with yourself. So today I encourage you, take 5 minutes, sit quietly, breathe deeply, close your eyes and simply exist without pressure. No performance, no expectations, no rushing, just presence. Because the world outside may remain noisy, but you deserve an inner world that feels calm. Thank you for listening and happy World Meditation Day.